Yeah, we're gonna go as far as we can. We're just gonna stop. Ain't no need fighting for this man. No, I think next week. We're not going to Lincoln though. No, we're going to Cheyenne and cut down to Denver. Now they got to change. It's going now. We're going to Aurora and fuel up at Denver. Go across the avenue. You reckon they got it to get us out of the storm? Reckon that's what they are? Yeah. I seen that. I got guards there at the gate. But they don't check nothing though. The guards sit in their truck. They ain't checking nothing. They're just going there, come out there. Well, they put one side back, but the other side's still broke, and then both sides are open. You can just drive in and drive out. Yeah. Well, like